So basically, this is a game that I think is better than World of Warships. You can get it on Google Play, App Store, anything like that. It works very well on mobile, although it does take a heap of memory. It's actually very fun. You participate in like tons of PvP battles. But you can also choose AI mode, like I've chosen. And there's so many ships to choose from. Like I've only bought like a fraction of all the ships there is that in the game. Basically, we're going to be test driving some ships. We're going to be test driving random ships that I land on when I swipe. So I'm going to go back to the beginning, and I'm just going to swipe whichever ship our mouse lands on. We have to do 3, 2, 1. And we landed on the RF Barracuda. This is a Tier 2 Russian non-nuclear submarine, and to be honest, I'm surprised it costs that much if all you get is a gigantic thing that can dive, yet it's kind of useless because you can just take it out with torpedoes, and it only has 3 torpedo launchers. I bought a far better submarine than that one. I actually bought a Tier 2 nuclear submarine. But the durability isn't bad. Oh, we're actually relatively nimble here. Power through the USS Nimitz. We don't have any anti-air to wipe out the helicopter though. What we can do is just unleash 3 barrages, torpedo tubes, the same torpedo at this ship, which is a Nimitz class carrier. Which this USS Nimitz is actually quite CVN-68 is actually quite an old one. It's no longer in service like this game suggests. Well, this game suggests that it was in service, but what concerns me is we have another carrier, which I'm a bit concerned that it's going to be a Tier 3 carrier. And just a reminder, we're in a Tier 2 submarine with nothing but 3 useless torpedoes that do 60,000 damage. Not very impressive. That did something. Okay, we're doing something. Okay, and we have another Nimitz. It's actually kind of annoying because I just sank one. And it looks like we're gonna crash into it. It's sinking. And this is not realistic sinking. It should really be starting to fall apart, and like the aircraft should be just in the water elsewhere right now. Honestly, I'm not happy with this submarine. This is so, in fact, I've got a good idea. Let's ram it. Oh, hang on, I think I see an easy target. Is that what I think it is? So basically these up here are different ship categories. This symbol is the symbol for the submarine. That is a carrier. That is a destroyer. That's a frigate, and those are corvettes. And got 2 of them today. So corvettes, whatever, are only available, they're quite low tier ships. Every single tier 1 ship is a corvette, and, some beginner tier 2 ships are corvettes too, but those are the only corvettes. And is that what I think it is? Okay, I'm pretty sure that if that's a tier 1 ship, it will just get absolutely obliterated, so let's carry out my plan. First, I'll just check if I destroyed it. Oh, okay, I did. We will unleash our torpedoes first. It's disrespectful not to use them. Okay, let's collide. Let's ram it and hopefully sink it. You kidding me? No, I didn't say stop the engine, I said reverse. No, I said full ahead. Come on. Be gone and get destroyed. Come on, come on. Yes! That's what I'm talking about, absolute trash. That was probably the worst one that we'll select in this video, because I've got to tell you that we're not just going from the beginning to swipe. We're gonna go once it loads. Okay, so basically we're just gonna swipe from here. This should be a bit better. And we landed on this tier 3 destroyer. And this looks exactly like the destroyer that I have. The tier 3 destroyer that I have. Has the same helicopter, same guns, everything. Plus I think it has the same weaponry too. So there's not much difference. Plus but I think it's a little bit faster, and that's the only difference. And you have to market it. Which, if you ask me, hopefully this should be cheaper than that. But, oh crap. Oh, here. I guess we should test drive this. It's the last tier 3 ship I would expect to test drive. But this should get a little more damage done than the last one. And, is that a tier 2 ship? Yeah, that's a tier 2 ship. Russian tier 2 ship, and we're a Russian tier 3 destroyer. Let's show them our not so powerful cannons. Plus our kind of powerful grenade launcher. Average tier 3 torpedo and average tier 3 missile. I stand corrected. This thing is actually kind of powerful. On the other hand, this cannon is worse than the grenade launchers. And, let's see if I can shoot the helicopter with this. Get perfect aim on it, that thing's not good. Yeah, that's what I'm... Are you serious? Grenade launcher. Yeah, my helicopter will have to take care of this. That's kind of durable. In the meantime, oh, hang on. Can I just take it out? Well, this will be a lot more satisfying than missiles. If I can just get a lock on... Give me a lock on the chopper. I said give me a lock on the chopper. Are you serious right now? And my gun's not even firing. Oh, it's out of reach. Let's get a little closer. Now it's ready. I could just take it out with missiles, but guns are a lot more satisfying. I don't think we can get a very good lock on it. I think we just had a lock there, dang it. There we go. That's a perfect lock. Hail it with fire. And that was useless. And it's healing. So that sucks. And I feel like we're just wasting time. Oh, hang on. Hang on. Oh. Take out this helicopter, and I'm gonna do a nice, fun bombing run. And it just exploded. The bird isn't flying anymore? Is it just me, or is that slightly depressing? Let's put that here. Oh, wow. What kind of fighters does the Gerald R. Ford have? I never thought I'm just gonna sit here. Oh, this is kind of powerful. I'm just gonna sit here, wait for my bombs to reload. Then I'll fire this, then drop a bomb. Halo machine guns. Tell me this gets a lock. I guess it doesn't. And we're out of bombs. Let's let the ship take care of this. So far, this is a much better, ship than the last one. The last one was a submarine, though. Maybe we'll land on a better submarine next, but we're already in the tier 3s. Okay, so far, I think this ship was... Can't help it. The ship is just such an easy frigate to destroy. Goodbye. And now, because the Yamato is just too... Because the Yamato, one of the most powerful ships in the game with one weakness, actually 2 weaknesses, its maneuverability and speed. Those are its weaknesses. On the other hand, it has the most powerful gun in the game. It's planes that it launches is also its weakness. Who just fired? Did my chopper just fire? Oh, never mind. Anyway, oh come on. Might as well send a torpedo and a few missiles. Because the Yamato has the most durability of any ship in the game, it only felt right. At least I think it has the most durability. Goodbye. I said goodbye. I'm not fighting for the ship's survivability. I'm dying with the Yamato. What I've done. What weirds me out is that when you die, your helicopter dies too. Which is a little weird. Shouldn't you just switch to it and use that to take out all the enemy ships that you can? That's what abuses me. Anyway, let's swipe. We're already on tier 3. Oh, we're getting onto a hut. No way. We landed on the Yamato. No way. That's actually a really... I think it would have been better if we landed on the modern version of it. The Yamato Aegis, whatever. But... Still, the Yamato's the best guns in the game. Look at that. That durability is actually one of the best. And this is a tier 1 ship. And these guns just blew it apart. These guns are actually insanely powerful. Not just for a gun. Like, they're actually in general powerful. Got the good old Nimitz here. And then, of course, the Gerald R. Ford. Look at that firepower. Needless to say, Gerald R. Ford would not want to come across a Yamato. These flow planes launched from a catapult in the Yamato's deck. I don't know if that was what actually happened in World War II, but yeah. These. Ooh. we've hit my average damage that I usually do to battle. That's about my average damage. And, actually, I'm pretty angry that there's a version of ourselves here. I'm gonna bomb it. Actually, I think I could just switch to the ship and get away from these useless planes, but... Okay, that's it. I'm angry. I'm putting these guys up for patent infringement. Goodbye, bridge. You deserve it. I'm sorry. It didn't have to be like this. You should never move on. I'm sorry. But... Oh yeah, another weakness. The big guns have a very long cooldown. I think we can just take this out with the flow planes. Depends on how far away they are. Where's the battleship? Yamato! Oh, here. We need to get it before that thing replenishes enough of its health to survive a bombing run, which I think it already has. So that's a bit unfortunate. But we should be able to deal. What? No! That ruined it. But it's definitely not... Okay, we destroyed something. I think there was a... I hope it was the Gerald R. Ford. Okay, please tell me. This is just a test drive, though. Oh, come on. Tell me that you stupid flow planes can make one thing happen. I'm giving you the honor of destroying the Yamato, and you don't seem up to it. Why? It's totally not the plane where you come from. Okay, these guys suck. I've had enough. Should I be questioning why their logo isn't something junk? Because their logo is an F-22 when these guys are horrid float planes that barely do anything, and oh, the Yamato actually has quite a bit of health left. This thing is pretty simple though. Also, on a practice run you don't really need to move at all. You can just chill in one spot. The sub is below water. I'm just spamming that hard and we're hardly turning. We're gonna hit a rock, I swear. Oh, we're just not turning. Look how slow we are. Now we're starting to turn a bit. I'm getting exhausted from turning this much. Whoa. Get a lock. That's perfect. Anyway, oh shoot, I just remembered the Titanic. The reason the Titanic sank from that iceberg was because it's really, because like, if the Titanic hit the iceberg by the bow, it wouldn't have sunk. That's what recent studies show. Okay, we've been over this. And so are they. We're not sinking for what we are is dying for our country. I'm sorry, did we just go through the bridge? I'm gonna put through the bridge. Anyway, this is taking too long. I'm finished. Okay, for our next spin, let's see what we get. No. We would run away from the USS America, a very powerful aircraft carrier. And two away from the Gerald R. Ford, which is even more powerful. And then we landed on this, another battleship, except it's a little more futuristic. Ooh, USS Hurricane. I don't think we even need the big gun to deal with this. Just launch the chopper and... Oh, I forgot the ship's AI just takes over. Okay. We should help out. Should assist in dealing with the chopper. That chopper's toast.
This is 520. The enemy is increasing speed. Ready to fire.
Do those air missiles just... do those ground-to-air missiles just disappear mid-air? Well, to sea-to-air. Now what's this? Oh, I knew it was... This is a Corvette. It's one of the early Tier 2 ships. Okay. You need to think that these guns are more powerful than the Yamatos. Stop giving me orders. Let me do the thing that I want to do, because none of these ships are moving. And now, let's do the next bit, as we've clearly seen how powerful that ship can be. Let's do our next spin. The NB Bahia, an assault landing ship. These are actually very good ships. They're not bad. There's even a carrier version, and another one with a submarine. To be honest, I'm tired. I kinda just want to do the carrier one. Even though it's cheating, I think it's just worth it. Oh, I can tell that's a tier 1. Oh, yes. Stop auto-killing it and let the drone do. Oh my gosh. Seriously. I hate it when the AI takes over, just immediately destroys it. Obliterates it. Hi, Chopper. I'm sorry, Chopper. But, oh, hang on a minute. Oh, you see, heck yeah. You see what I'm saying? Oh no. Plus we shoot lightning bolts. That's kind of insane. Don't have anything other than drones. Okay, maybe this thing definitely has a Oh, we have 3. No way. Did I give you permission to unleash that? Okay, you just do all the materials out forward, so good. To be honest. Oh, wait, we need to try this. I'm a little disappointed that this isn't a submarine like the other one, but we do have the same weaponry. We also serve as a rammer. Well, there's no use in ramming it now. We're so nimble. Okay, we're not the fastest. 20 knots is average speed. Well, it's a little over average speed. But we're so nimble. It's actually a relief to be this nimble. Let's ram her. It's not like we can do much damage. Plus, we'll just get absolutely vaporized by this. Did we at least do some damage? No. Our drone got crashed, or maybe got secretly shot down. No.